Which one? Yesterday, Afghanistan versus Australia. Yeah, even after so much of pain and struggle, Maxwell he cleared 200. I think it is his best. So this is 650 Meteor. It's not like the silencer and all, it's the same. It's a dual silencer because उसका जो engine है वो interceptor का है. And the rest of the things are same as a Meteor model and all. I'll show you. But उसका थोड़ा maintenance ज़्यादा है. That's the problem. Because it's 650 bro. Already interceptor लेके लोग पछता रहे हैं. एक बड़ा सीसी का बाइक, if you are crazy and अगर daily use के लिए चाहिए तो don't go for a bigger CC bike because it will obviously cost you a lot. So I'm waiting for Himalayan 450. If it is cool, I'll go for that. But I don't think so. It will be like a 410, the older version of the Himalayan. That was good, quite good. यहाँ पर आज ट्रैफिक है ट्रैफिक है. So this is where I don't want to stuck. People nowadays they have a neck disc issues also. One of my friend, he has a neck disc issue. He's not able to sleep properly. Life is a mess, man, nowadays. No, not good nutritious food. No, lack of workout. Everything. This is a big stretch. Bandu. See, we are going for the right. You want to see? See left. Ooh. So this is IT corporate ride, early morning ride. So all the people are, coming on the same time. Same time. So it's like a morning ride. Morning ride to Werribee IT Park.
we are back from the office and he is Dilip.
Hi.
Chalo. So I'm going to drop him. अरे वो काला काला देखा ही नहीं मैं